This is a very quick video with no fluff on our truck lighting connector. It is just a quick overview and just one video of our extensive video collection. Check out all of our truck lighting videos for detailed and in-depth explanations and troubleshooting. We hope it helps to improve or confirm your understanding of the H-style truck lighting system. We want you to be well informed before you start your project. Now let's get right to it. This is an end power feed and it's made to go on a drop ceiling. This isn't something you're going to find over at the big home improvement store. So why would you want to use this on a drop ceiling? Well, if you use pretty much any of the other connectors and power feed connectors on a drop ceiling, you're going to have to cut the T-bar of the ceiling. And I'll tell you why. Because the knockout is in the center of all the other fittings. Well, if it's in the center and you're running this along a T-bar, you can't get the power in without cutting the T-bar. Not good. So in this one, gives you these options here. So you can come in from one of the corners, drop power into your half-inch knockout and make up your power inside. So on a drop ceiling, this is the recommended end power feed. And I'm going to unscrew it here and take you inside so you can see it. It's actually very, very simple. And before I do that, I want to mention a couple of things. It has a ground, a neutral, and a hot. And you want to make sure that when you're doing your track, and here's an upside down track, so it would actually look like this. So I know that my track has the ground, because I can see it right there on this side. So does my connector have the ground on the correct side? Yes, it does. So this will slide right in. Now, if the ground is on the other side, it's not going to go in. You have to turn the track around and take the little piece off, of course. And now you can slide your track in. When you slide your track in here, I want to mention it has a little burr right here. See this little guy? It's going to make it kind of hard to get in. So you're going to push your track in, and then that burr stops the track from coming back out. If that's a feature you don't want for whatever reason, let's say you're doing temporary setups or what have you, get a pair of pliers, open up the channel a little bit so it reaches properly, and gently push that burr so it's flat. And that way you'll be able to get the track on and off easier. But in most installations, you're not going to have to do that. So let me just review. You do need to make sure you have the correct polarity, that the ground is hitting the ground bus inside your track. So let's take a look inside, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So here's the end power feed for drop ceilings kind of exposed, and you'll see how simple it is. Here's the knockouts. You probably won't use the center one, but you never know. It's there just in case. Gives you incredible versatility on a drop ceiling to get the power properly into the connector without cutting the T-bar. You bring your power in, you're going to hook up your hot, your neutral, and your ground. And that's really all that's to it. I think it's a great connector. I'm glad that we found it. And like I said at the beginning, you're not going to find this on any of the big home improvement stores. On a T-bar ceiling, we also have all the little clips that connect the track, that'd be this, onto your T-bar. So look for those. If you can't find them, just let us know. If you have any other questions, just drop us an email. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication. support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information, such as this video, and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.